The all-new Simple Intranet, enabling your team to connect, collaborate, create. All flexible, integrated, and of course, simple to use. If you manage a business and use spreadsheets, email, and other point solutions like room booking or planning software, or have a help desk if you manage projects and teams, listen up. You'll want to hear about how Simple Intranet can help you and your business run with ease. We understand the dilemma that as your business grows, the effort and cost to manage all these things grows too. And we have the tool to help you bring it all together in one platform and at an affordable price. And in our new world, the new normal office is no office at all. Now it's more important than ever to have a good collaboration tool for employees to stay engaged and have easy access to communication throughout the day. We know the problems when the old way of getting work done isn't working anymore, and systems don't talk to each other, with too much of your critical data and information slipping through the cracks, hiding in silos or information islands, and it takes more steps to get projects finished on time. These are real challenges, keeping it all together and moving your business to the next level. 1. How can we simplify our internal communications and IT landscape so we can focus on the core business? 2. Do I need a complicated HR and intranet systems to manage employee time, tasks, and projects? 3. How can I automate regular processes like workflow approvals and save time by reducing manual steps? 4. How can we collaborate on work projects and effectively access, share, and collaborate on documents to avoid creating data islands? 5. How do we keep my morale high, keep employees informed, engaged, and actively collaborating with one another? Simple Intranet is the answer to all these questions. Our program is flexible and easy to use out of the box, simple to set up and configure. It offers features like team collaboration chat, file sharing, org charts, shared calendars, employee self-service forms, automated workflows and approvals, time tracking, project management, help desk ticketing, and much more. Let's take a look at a few of our powerful, flexible features to connect, collaborate, and create. Here's a look at our dashboard. You can see our powerful and easy-to-use features. Here are a few key features to help you organize the company. A quick, easy org chart so everyone knows who's who, a library to archive shared documents and activities so your team stays up to date and in the know of what's happening. Now let's look at our tools to help streamline HR, like self-service HR forms, workflows for notification, simple expense reports, and asset tracking. For keeping your business running day-to-day more effectively with routine and recurring tasks, time tracking for employees, and project management. Another way to keep your team engaged is a simple calendar, fun polls and surveys, and team collaboration features instant chat. That was a quick run-through of the powerful tools Simple Intranet offers to help you grow your business and keep it running smoothly. Setup is simple, pricing is simple, and most of all, it's simple to use to help your team work together and stay productive.